Welcome back students with a new chapter. So today we will be studying about the major landforms of the earth. Yeah, so you will be studying about the landforms, yeah, the physical features you will study, high and the low areas you will study. Yes, so let's talk about the major landforms of the earth. Firstly, let's start with the introduction. The earth has an infinite variety of landform, and that is some part of the lithosphere may be rugged and some will be flat. This landform are being result of two process, and you will be amazed to know that the ground you are standing is slowly moving. So, within the earth's continuous movement is taking place. Yes. So, how this movement is taking place? What is about this rugged lands as well as the some of the flat lands? Rugged means slopes. Let's talk about the landform. A mountain is any natural elevation of the earth's surface, and the mountain may also have small summit and a broad base, and it is considered higher than the surrounding area. So, some mountains are even higher than the clouds, and in some mountains there are permanently frozen rivers of ice, and such things are known as glaciers. Now, there are type of mountains, students. Firstly, let's talk about fold mountain. So, as you can see on the screen over here, it has been folded. Yes, and we have, when I was explaining you the chapter, that time I just showed you a page. I took a piece of paper and I folded it off, and then I had put it on the book. Yes, as you know, when you fold the paper like this, and then it becomes this type of structure, that is known as fold mountains. So, some of the mountains are fold. Okay, let's learn about it. The Himalaya mountains and the Alps are the young fold mountains with rugged relief and high conical peak, and the Aravalli range in India is the one of the oldest mountain system in this world. The Alpicians in the North America and the Ural mountains in Russia have the rounded feature and low elevation. Low elevation means the down, you can see over here the structure, that is low elevation, and this type of the part is known as rounded feature. So, this particular mountain is known as folded mountain, and there are very old fold mountains. Let's talk about block mountains. Block mountains are created when the areas are broken and displayed vertically. The areas are being broken, as you can see over here, this one is down, one is up. Yeah. So, some of the mountains are block mountains. Why? Because it is created within large area and it is being broken off. So, the Rhine Valley and the Vosges mountain in Europe are example of such mountain system, and the mountain has a flat top. So, on this the mountain will be flat enough. Volcanic mountain. Volcanic mountains are formed due to volcanic activity, like we can say Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa and Mount Fujiyama in Japan are the example of this such type of volcanic mountains. Volcanic mountains have a hole in the top middle where lava comes from. As you can see over here, the structure of a volcanic mountain, and as where lava comes out, just as the experimental figure of a volcanic figure is being shown you over here. Plateau. Plateau is an elevated flat land, or you also can say as a tableland. It is a flat topped tableland standing above the surrounding area. A plateau may have one or more sides with steep slopes, and the height of plateau often varies from few hundred meters to several thousand meters. The Deccan Plateau in India is one of the oldest plateau, the East African Plateau, in Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda and the Western Plateau of Australia are other example of this type of plateaus. Next is plain. Plains are a large stretch of flatland, and they are generally not more than 200 meters above the mean sea level, and some plains are externally leveled up. Most of the plains are formed by rivers and their tributes. Generally, plains are very fertile. Lastly, humans have been living on different kind of landforms in different ways. So, life is difficult in mountainous area. Plains provide much easy condition of life. There are many ways to live in plains, and they can make road, house or easy to grow crops. So, people used to pollute water or the nature and the surrounding areas. So, this was about the major landforms of the earth, students. You studied about plains, plateaus, mountains. I hope the concept is clear. Stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you.